Yahoo! 皆さんこんにちは. Hello everyone, and in this video we'll be talking about Japanese numbers. In reality, the Japanese numbering system can be way more complex. But for this video, we'll only be focusing on numbers that you can use in your everyday life. So, learning how to say your age or your telephone numbers. And if you can successfully say these numbers, it will definitely make your time in Japan way more easier and way more comfortable. For example, you can ask for and understand prices. Because I don't know about you, but me, when I travel overseas for a short period of time, I tend to convert that country's money into my own currency for studying or for living. Numbers can come really handy in terms of when you register for a bank account or for registering address in general. I believe that numbers are fundamental, crucial, and necessary. So with that being said, let's get started. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. For 11, it is the sum of 1 and 10. So it's going to be 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. 20 is going to be 2 and 10. So 20, 21, 21. Can you see the pattern? 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30. Again, 3 and 10. So 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100. 100, 1000, 10, 10,000, 1,000, 100,000, 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000. In Japan, people express numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's also another way how Japanese people count with their hands. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Depending on the countries or culture, the way people count and express numbers might be different. What about in your country? How do you count with your hands, or do you use different ways of counting? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Some of the pronunciation might be quite difficult as the sound might not be available in your language, but with lots of practice, I'm sure you will be able to master it in no time. So until next time, bye!